I'm Hanifeh from Photocentric. I am product manager for LC Magna, our large-scale 3D printer that we have available now for purchase. So what is so special about Magna? It was an absolute pleasure actually working with Magna and be the product manager for Magna for this unique printer with this huge build volume. So Magna build volume is 510 by 280 and 350 millimeter. What's special about Magna and also about our technology is that we use LCD screen. We are a stereotypography technology, but instead of using laser or digital light projector, we use LCD screen. The benefit of using LCD screen that we can cure a full layer at the same time. So it doesn't matter if you print one part or if you print like 100 parts per platform, it takes the same amount of time. So using a screen in a larger scale actually is the best and most affordable way to make custom mass manufacture parts. So Magna is our successor of a previous legacy printers, we call it LC Pro, but with new and advanced technology. In Magna, we use a 24-inch screen with 137 micron pixel pitch in X and Y. You can print different layer thickness like 50 micron, 100 micron, and even for some resin, you can use 300 micron layer thickness to make very fast and draft, basically, prototype. So for which market sector we use Magna? We use it for making dental models for aligner manufacture, clear aligner manufacture. We use it for larger scale prototyping, or we use it for a small to medium size for custom mass manufacture of plastic parts. Recently, I'm sure you know already about it, we have made about 2.5 million face shields with Magna, with the form of Magna, which was 45 Magnas in a form, and we made 2.5 million parts with Magna. So the other thing that is quite unique in Magna is has a very unique technology for peel release system, which we call it blow peel. Is a patented technology by Photocentric, and what it helps is that it helps to have a reliable print performance when we are printing large surface area or many small parts per platform. The other thing is unique about technology that we use visible light curing rather than UV curings, and also we make our own resin, which is a daylight resin that is specifically tuned for Magna, which we call them Magna daylight resin. As we are an innovative company for photopolymer as well, so we have resins with different application, different functionality for different application, like for example hard resins, like flexible resin, resins that they are durable, you can actually elastically deform them and they keep the shape. Also, so when we sell the printer, which is an affordable cost, and also that resin as well is an affordable cost, you get a license of a Photocentric Studio with Magna, which is a lifetime license. You can use it forever on 2 pieces. And then also after that, we care for our customers when we get Magna, how to install the printer, how to use the printer, and also what might happen with the printer in terms of long-term maintenance, in terms of extra service and support, and also in terms of extra troubleshooting. All of those documentation has been stored in Magna Resource Hub, which you can have them online available, and is free to access with everybody. Even if you don't have a Magna, you still can have access to the information. And I think that's it about Magna. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we are here to help you and support you with any inquiry that you have.
Find out how Photocentric's 3D printing innovations can help your business by visiting our website at photocentricgroup.com. Stay up to date with our latest developments by following and interacting with us on our social media channels. And don't forget to check out our latest videos on our dedicated YouTube channel. While you're there, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're updated every time we upload something new.